Welcome to my channel Total Techno. Hi friends, my name is Prakash and today I am going to tell you how you can make animated cartoon videos from your Android phone. Before starting the video, I want to tell you that if you are new in my channel then like, share and subscribe my channel Total Techno. And don't forget to hit the bell icon. So, now start the video. First you have to install KINEMASTER app in your Android phone. I will give you a link in the description, from where you will directly install the app through Google Play Store. After installing, open the app. After opening, click on plus icon. And then select ratio 16:9 for the project. Now you have to choose background. You can choose any type of background, but there I am choosing this background. Then choose duration of video. Now click on layer option and then click on media option and open some images. I have downloaded some images. You can also download image from Google. I am going to open an image of road and a house. Set duration of images and background are same. After inserting the images, click on house and set it on left side, as I am doing, and now go to starting point of the video. And then again click on house. After that click on key icon, which is appear in the left side of mobile screen. Now go to end point of the video. Now after clicking on key icon, touch the house, and drag it to right, as I am doing. Now we see the video. And now we insert one animated girl video. You get this type of video on YouTube. I will give you link on the description, from where you can download the video. Now click on chroma key option and enable it. After enabling, background of girl video is disappeared. Now your cartoon animated video is complete. Now you can play this. See, it's look like professional video. Now you can make animated cartoon video. I hope you like this video. Thank you.